if your contacts flew
No, my
out?
contact's fine. Gotta do clockwise. Wait. I'm just kind of. I feel more comfortable doing clockwise, so I don't feel like I'm doing something bad.
Your face is so funny.
It feels amazing. You guys should try it.
I do. Oh my god.
It's like the corner of my eye.
Oh my god. Now I can't stop. This feels so good.
You're telling me.
I've just been sitting here watching you rub your eyes for like a minute.
It felt phenomenal. It's worth every piece of makeup being ruined.
Know how you feel.
Just go try it. And it's worth trying at home. Don't even worry about the stupid crossberry shit. You know what that was like?
What is so precautionary about rubbing your eyes?
Yeah, they're just like, you know,
Don't try this at home.
They're like, don't try this at home. You can try this at home. You don't got it I don't know. Just don't talk to me.
Precautionary.
Don't